So, quitting YouTube, I tell you. So heading back to, actually normally I'll be doing my morning stream right now, but I forgot my daughter's mask. So I'm heading back to the school to drop off her mask, which is like a 20-minute bike ride, or actually 10-minute bike ride, 20 minutes by walking. Mari! Hi, Mari-chan's mask. Hi, sumimasen, gomenasai. Arigatou. Thank you. Hi, see ya. No, we're not going home yet. Daddy forgot your mouth. Hi, bye bye. See ya. Love you, okay? Go party. I guess somebody lost their bra. Oh no, it's the bike patrol. Those guys can straight out give tickets. Cars, bikes, that's all they do is just go around and give tickets. If your bike is parked in the wrong place, you get a ticket. If your car is parked in the wrong place, you get a ticket. So, quitting YouTube. I tell you, I was a little bummed about that whole stream losing subscribers. And then I got really mad at myself because I was like, you know what, when I first started YouTube, that wasn't the issue. I didn't care how many, I had 60 subscribers and I was pumping videos out like I had 1 million. And that, just that moment after I had posted that made me upset that I even posted that, because I was letting all that stuff affect me again. Which I always, when I originally started YouTube, I said I was never gonna let that affect me. And it did. So I took a few days to reflect on that and I was like, yo, if that ever happens again, where I get upset about YouTube views or subscribers or likes or any of that, I'm quitting YouTube. Because that wasn't the reason why I started creating. I was creating because I liked it, it was fun, and I wanted to share what I was learning with you guys. So just a future note, if I ever do something like that again and let the YouTube analytics affect my whole mojo and creativity, I'm gonna stop posting videos, because then I've lost the love for it. It's not about creating, it's about YouTube, it's about views, it's about likes, it's about subscribers, and that's what this is not about. This is about creating on our cell phones. Actually, at the moment, I am using the Samsung Note 8 with the Moment case, with the Moment anamorphic lens, using MC Pro F24 with the Rogue microphone plugged in with the dead cat. That's what this channel is about. That's what this is all about. Creating on our mobile devices, photos and all. I just had to get this off my chest. You know, it was bumming me out. Whew. I feel better now.